In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the voice of your AI speech on your videos on InShot. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, now if you listen into this, you can see I added an AI voice.
A spider-like window crawler with nanofiber cleaning.
And that is a male voice, but I'd like to change this to a female voice. To do so on InShot, it is quite simple. Just head over to this audio. And then you'll see your AI voice that you added, and here it is. So go ahead and tap on the AI voice timeline or your audio timeline. And if it is an AI voice, you can now change this pitch by moving this bar here and look for the option called Pick Voice. So if I go ahead and tap on it, currently, as you have seen, it is this charming, but I'd like to change this maybe to lively and female. It should be female lively, so that combination. And therefore, once you have selected the combination, you can now set the transformation. However, you might also want maybe American speech or British or Asian. You can as well choose from this. So I'll leave it to American and then leave the rest as they are, and then tap on start to apply the speech. And now, unfortunately, this service is available for pro version. However, you can get a 7-day trial, which is free to use it. So for my case, I don't want to sign up for it, but that's how you can get or you can change the AI speech or voice. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.